and welcome to Malibu. This morning we are headed to Calabasas for a fun little morning hike. As you can see, the drive up into the mountains was absolutely beautiful. It was a very fun transition from beach to mountains. This morning, we are hiking the Calabasas Peak Trailhead. The weather is absolutely amazing today. It feels like it's 58, maybe even 62 degrees. Very sunny and very warm, which coming from Colorado, where it was cold and I think snowing when we were here, it made me very happy. We hiked for about an hour and a half before packing up and heading back to where we were staying in Malibu. We did bring some snacks with us, so on the way down in this beautiful drive, we actually decided to head on back down to the beach. It was so peaceful to listen to the sounds of the waves and the birds next to the ocean. We really had a wonderful walk up and down the beach, along the little beach houses as well. I fell in love with the little footprints of the birds on the beach too. Or I guess those are seagulls.
Alright man, should we head back?
So cool. That was really fun to see, along with this really funny, like sandy river in the sand on the beach. I had never seen anything like it. It just looked like a little roadway of cold, cold water. The water was so cold, but so refreshing. And it just made its way on into the ocean, and I just thought it was the coolest thing. A few hours and a nap later, we got ready to go to dinner at the Sunset Malibu. I had this very yummy drink called the Sunset Cocolata. It was almost like a dessert on its own. Shooter. For dinner, Tyler had the shrimp tacos, and I got the Wagyu beef bolognese pappardelle. I don't know if I said that right. Both were very yummy. The main attraction of this restaurant is the fact that you get to see an amazing sunset while you're having dinner.
Sorry.
After dinner, we made a quick trip to the hot tub at the Airbnb, where we just wanted to relax and soak our muscles from the hike that was about an hour and a half long, and we actually ended up walking about 3 or 4 miles on the beach. So this was very much needed. We packed up and made it for one last stop at the beach before heading to LA. We drove along the Pacific Coast Highway, which in our experience ended up being fairly easy and an amazing view of the palm trees, the mountains, the beaches, the people surfing, not to mention all of the different architecture and how these beach houses have been built and designed. It was beautiful. Each one just seemed like its own piece of art, not a house, but a piece of art. We were just really enjoying being out in the world, in the sunshine, and with each other. Of course, the morning had to start with a cup of coffee, so we stopped at Federal Coffee, where they have a wonderful menu of coffees, teas. They also have amazing pastries and treats available. I got a lavender caramel almond milk latte, and they made it pink, which was so freaking cute. We also got a little croissant to split, and Tyler got an almond milk chai as well. And we just hung out in the sun. There was a nice little sunny spot to sit, and we enjoyed our coffee before heading over down to Rodeo Drive. I also saw the Roxbury Drive sign, and I couldn't help myself. Has anyone seen that movie? That was one of mine and my sister's favorite movies growing up. Then we made it to Rodeo Drive. It was beautiful. Honestly, the vibes were amazing. People were happy to be out and about, and everyone was just enjoying the sunshine. We shopped around for a little bit. However, most of the designers don't really allow you to film inside the stores, but it was still so much fun to check it all out. I did get one quick clip inside the Louis Vuitton men's store. After shopping, we went to Pizzana, which we were very excited about. The pizza was absolutely delicious. The ingredients were fresh, and the staff was so friendly. Highly recommend. Get 'em. We did some more shopping, stopped by the Golf Wang store, Bathing Ape, Supreme, checked some things out, and then changed and decided to go grab a burger from the Habit. Okay. Family bundles. Char burgers.
Ooh, that looks cool. Teriyaki burger. Ahi tuna.
Signature sandwiches. Popular, some full meals. They also have fresh salads.
What are you gonna do?
Sides. Is that good?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, thanks.
What should I get? The barbecue?
Yeah, exactly.
No. This morning feels a little bittersweet. It is our last day in California. We made our way down to Marina del Rey so that we could grab some coffee and hang around before it's time to head to the airport. It was honestly such a peaceful moment to reflect on how different life can be in other places. The sound of the water felt like it could wash away your troubles. We couldn't help but sit there wondering what these people do. Where do they live? Do they work at the coffee shop in the morning and then go grab some waves in the afternoon? Do they work at the restaurant at night? It really made us wonder what it would be like to really live here. Oh, and I couldn't help but capture this fun little space cat. I truly just wanted to sit here forever, enjoying the birds and just how simple life could possibly be. Oh, and I saw a sea lion. It's time to head back to LAX so that we can get back home to our cat. I miss her so much. And I actually saw my bag being loaded onto the plane, which I thought was really funny. Overall, it was an amazing trip, and we left feeling so fulfilled with everything that we got to do and experience. The flight back was smooth and full of breathtaking views the entire time. We'll miss you, California. Thank you all for watching and enjoying our trip to Los Angeles and Malibu. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. It really truly makes a huge difference. With that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.